Study Guide 16, page 2. Write 24% as a decimal and reduced fraction. So 24% is going to be 24 over 100. And we'll go ahead and do the fraction first, which that actually makes it easy to write it as a decimal because that's 0.24. So I'm kind of going to go backwards there. There's my decimal. And then we need to reduce this. Let's divide by 4 over 4, and we'll get 6 over 25. Now we want 3/50 as a decimal and percent. To write a fraction as a decimal, let's divide the denominator into the numerator. And I think we're probably going to have to add 2 zeros to make it come out even. 50 won't go into 3. It won't go into 30, but it goes into 300 6 times. So there's your decimal, 0.06. And then as a percent, that's 6/100ths, which is 6%. And the last one of that set, let's write 2/10 as a percent and reduce fractions. Let's go ahead and write it as a fraction, which would be 2 over 10, divided by 2 over 2, which is 1/5. And then write it as a percent. Let's take, and you can do either one, but I'm going to take the reduced one. Let's divide the denominator into the numerator. And we've got, well, we've actually already got it as a percent, as a decimal, but I'll go ahead and do it again. I've got 0.2, but you need 2 decimal places to make it a percent. So 20/100ths is 20%. So you actually didn't have to do the division. You already had the decimal. Number 17, dividing and multiplying positive and negative numbers. When the signs are the same, the answer is positive. And when the signs are different, the answer is negative. That works for multiplying and dividing. So the signs are the same, positive 4. Signs are different, negative, and 16 divided by 8 is 2. Signs are different, so it would be negative 4 times 5, which is 20. Signs are the same, so 6 times 4 is positive 24. Number 18. 5/8 of the class is girls. That is 15 girls. So let's draw 8 sections. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 5 of those, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is 15 girls. Well, if you've got 15 girls in 5 sections, there's going to be 3 in each section. So, how many are boys? That's your A. Well, if these are the girls, then these are the boys, so there's got to be 9 boys. And then the total students, you can add the 15 and the 9, or you can count them up this way, and it's going to be 24 students. Number 19. When you're adding positive and negative numbers, you need it to be all positive to start with. So we've got -4 plus -6. Now, to subtract a positive, you change the subtraction to addition and take the opposite of this one. To subtract a number, you change the subtraction to addition and take the opposite of this one. Now we can go straight across with addition. -4 plus -6 is -10. And then -10 plus -3 is -13. And -13 plus +2, the signs are different, so you'll subtract them and get -11. The ratio of cats to dogs at the pet store is 5:3. There are a total of 16 cats and dogs. How many are cats? So let's set up a ratio table. Now, notice they mention ratio to cats and dogs, but they also mention total. So we need cats, dogs, and total. And we need ratio. And we need actual. So cats to dogs is 5:3, which makes a total ratio of 8. And actually we have 16 total cats and dogs. Now, how many are cats? This is the one we want to know, so we'll put our X here. We don't need this one. Now, you could probably see that you're just to go from 8 to 16, you're multiplying by 2. So you can get X is 10 cats, or you can set up the proportion. 5 is to 8 is x is to 16. And then you can cross multiply. You'll get 8x is equal to 16 times 5, which is 80. Divide by 8. And you'll also get 10. So you can see it several different ways as to which way you decide you want to do that one.